Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 5.4 exercise of Unit 5 Triangle and its property of 7th class. Okay children, now coming to first question. In triangle ABC, name all the interior and exterior angles of the triangle. Here if you see this figure, these are the interior angles, right? So they are asking you to write interior and exterior. So first we are going to write what are interior angles here. Okay children, here interior angles. So angle A, how you represent angle A in the three letters? That letter should be in the middle, means vertex should be in the middle. So I can write like BAC or CAB also you can write children. Next coming to angle B, B should come in the middle. So you can write like ABC or CBA. Okay. Next angle is C. C can be written in the middle and it can be written like ACB or BCA also. Now coming to exterior angles. What are exterior angles here? If you see, these are exterior angles. So these are exterior. Now how you write the exterior angles now? If you see this, when you take this C, you can write like ACZ. Here you are taking C. Here I am writing C in the middle, means C is the exterior angle. So when you see ACZ is the exterior angle. Next one, angle BAY. BAY. And next one, angle CBX. CBX. So these three, angle ACZ, comma angle BAY, comma angle CBX are the three exterior angles of the given figure. Coming to second question. For triangle ABC, here they have given one figure. Find the measure of angle ACD. Here they are asking, here is the ACD, means this is what? Exterior angle. Okay. So we know the property of exterior angle. Exterior angle, some property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this is nothing but the addition of these two angles. So here in this figure, in triangle ABC, here what is the exterior angle here? Angle ACD is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior opposite angles, means angle A plus angle B. Angle A can be written like BAC plus B can be written as ABC. So this is exterior angle property. Now what is ACD? We need to find here. ACD equal to angle BAC is nothing but 66 degrees and ABC is nothing but 45 degrees. So when you add 66 and 45, you are going to get 111. Therefore, angle ACD equal to 111 is the answer. Coming to third question children. Find the measure of angles X and Y. See this figure. Here angle ABC is a triangle and here angle CBD is the exterior angle formed. Here they are asking you to find the value of X and Y. Here exterior angle property, when I take, it is nothing but the sum of two interior opposite angles. By that we can find the Y value. And what about these two children? These are the adjacent angles on a straight line. So sum of the two adjacent angles on a straight line is nothing but 180 degrees. This is called the linear pair. So by taking linear pair, I can find the value of X here. So coming to solution, in the figure, X degrees plus 65 is equal to 180 I can take. Here this is nothing but linear pair of angles. So what is linear pair? Sum of two adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Now what is X here? 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. So X degrees is nothing but 115 degrees. So you got the value of X. Now we need to find the value of Y. Here children, you can use two methods. Here already x you got as 115. You can take angle sum property. Interior angle sum property. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Here C is given 30, B we got as 115, A we don't know. So we can take angle sum property, or if you observe this is an exterior angle, you can take exterior angle property also. Here can I take like y plus 30 degrees is equal to 65 degrees. This is nothing but exterior angle property. Means exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now what is y here? 65 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is y is nothing but 35 degrees. Either you can do this method or you can take angle sum property of triangle ABC. Coming to fourth question children, in the following figure find the value of x and y. But in the first figure they have given only x, triangle ABC is given, x we don't know, and this is the exterior angle, 107 is the exterior angle. Here opposite of this exterior angle is nothing but BC. So I can take the exterior angle property children here. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So in triangle ABC, here 107 degrees is equal to x degrees plus 57. What is this? Exterior angle property. Or you can write x degrees plus 57 is equal to 107 degrees. Here we are finding the value of x. X is called the subject, that should be lie on the left side. So x degrees is equal to 107 degrees minus 57 when you do x degrees is equal to 50. So you got the value of x degrees as 50 degrees. Coming to fourth question, second bit children. Here they gave the triangle ACB and in this one more triangle ACD. They are asking you to find the value of x and y. So first, if you consider the triangle ACD, we can take angle sum property and find the value x. So first, we are taking triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, here angle A plus angle D plus angle C is nothing but 180 degrees. This is nothing but angle sum property. So here we are considering only this small triangle. This small triangle. Right? So what is A? 40 degrees and D is 107 degrees and C is x equal to 180. Now 40 plus 107, how much? 147. So 147 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180. X degrees is equal to 180 minus 147, that is x degrees is nothing but 33 degrees. So you got the value of x. Here you got x as 33. Now we need to find the value of y. Here if you see this point, these are the sum of the angles on at a point on a line is 180 degrees. You know that point. Sum of all angles at a point on a line is 180 degrees. So I can take here x plus 65 plus y equal to 180. Yes children? So here sum of all angles at a point on a line is 180 degrees. So I can take here x plus 65 plus y equal to 180. Already we got x as 33. 33 plus 65 plus y degrees equal to 180. So 33 plus 65 is how much children? 98. 98 plus y degrees is equal to 180. Right? So what is y here? Take this plus 98 to the other side. So it will become minus 98. So here therefore y is equal to 180 minus 98 degrees. How much 180 minus 98 is nothing but 82. So therefore y is nothing but 82 degrees. Next, coming to fifth question. In the figure, angle BAD equal to 3 into angle DBA. And find angle CDB. What is CDB here? CDB, this angle we need to find. And DBC, this angle we need to find. Next, ABC. ABC means this full angle we need to find. So 3 parts the sum is. First, if you go for this, first we are going to find what is CDB. CDB here, this one. We can easily find by taking a linear pair here. What is linear pair? Sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So first our condition is, we will find CDB. Okay children. So by taking linear pair. What is the linear pair here? Angle BDA plus angle CDB equal to 180 degrees. Yes. BDA means BDA, this angle 104, and CDB means this angle. So these two forms linear pair. So what is BDA? It is given as 104 degrees plus CDB equal to 180 degrees. Now what is CDB now? CDB is equal to 180 minus 104. That gives you 180 minus 104 gives you 76 degrees. Okay children. So we got here CDB as 76 degrees. Now we will find this B. What is this B here? DBC. Only this one. Not here full one. We will find only this. Okay. Now by taking, you can take either this as the angle sum property, or you can take exterior angle property. Here 104 degrees is equal to x plus 65. That also you can take. So here I am taking exterior angle property. That is in which triangle? Triangle, second one we are finding DBC. So in triangle BCD, take triangle BCD. Here exterior property, exterior angle property we have to take. What is exterior here? BDA is the exterior angle. BDA is exterior angle is equal to DBC plus BCD. This is nothing but exterior angle property. You know, sum of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So BDA is how much? 104 degrees is equal to DBC, we don't know, plus BCD is 65. Therefore what is DBC children? 104 minus 65. 104 minus 65 is how much? 39 degrees. So angle DBC is nothing but 39 degrees. This is 39 degrees. Next, here we got DBC, this one also. Now we need to find ABC. To find ABC, angle ABC, here we need to know this value, right children? Right, this value we need to know. But to take the angle sum property for ABD also, we don't know what is this value and this value. So first we are going to find that by taking angle sum property in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, angle sum property when you take BAD plus ADB plus DBA equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. A plus D plus B. Okay children. And from the question, what is BAD given here? What is BAD given? In place of BAD, we should write 3 into angle DBA. 3 into angle DBA plus, what is ADB here? ADB is given as 104 degrees and DBA write as it is because we don't know the value. Now when you add 3 dBA plus 1 dBA, it will become 4 dBA, angle DBA. equal to 180 minus 104. So 4 into angle DBA equal to 180 minus 104 is nothing but 76 degrees. Now what is angle DBA here? 76 by 4. So that is when you do cancellation, it will come 90. So therefore angle DBA equal to 19 degrees. So here this one you got 19 degrees. Now we need to find the value of ABC. ABC. What is that now? Full one. We got ABC is nothing but, here you are dividing into two angles, that is nothing but angle DBA plus angle DBC. Angle DBA plus angle DBC, that is nothing but 19 degrees plus 39 degrees. 19 plus 39 will gives you 58 degrees. So finally we got the angle ABC as 58 degrees, means the sum of these two angles is 58 degrees.